Hello, my beautiful Scorpios. Welcome to the Lionsgate reading 888. As you know, August 8th, 2024. It's probably the biggest portal you can see for the year or even for years. I want to do this reading since I've been strongly guided to and also requested by many of you subscribers. What Lionsgate portal is going to open up for you at this time? Could be great things, could be not as great things, but definitely needs to be open up. And this Lionsgate also is in Mercury retrograde. Some of you might need to rethink what you're gonna do next. Review certain wishes, desires, or even relationships you are into. And in a big picture, some of you are gonna recycle certain things. Others of you are add others. But definitely a good cleanse is gonna happen or is gonna come forward. Let's see, Scorpios. What's opening up for you, darlings, at this time, at this moment? All right. Nine of Pentacles, money. For some of you, it's your financial freedom. Nine of Pentacles speaks about financial freedom. For others of you, it's your confidence. Being confident, taking actions, doing things for yourself. Some of you might be single, Scorpios, doing things or doing better for you, or try to do things more for yourself, taking care of you more. Yes, Five of Cups, Five of Pentacles, High Priestess. It's kind of, there's an energy here that you can continue in this tempo or in this rhythm you are used to, because you know where you belong, the Empress. Two of Cups. There's something new coming up for you, darlings, after some heavy load that you're leaving behind. You are really happy to leave something behind, and this is gonna happen pretty quick with the Knight of Swords. Yes, there's something here you're moving with. It's kind of speedy. For some of you, there is a speedy recovery. Could be a recovery, a literally health recovery. For others of you, could be an energetic recovery here. This is something here related to your finance, to your abundance. Okay, and we have the Star and then the Six of Wands. Overcoming a situation here. Okay, for some of you, you are blocking some kind of energy, and that's why it's kind of a renewal for you. It's kind of this blindfold is going away from you. Ace of Swords, bringing clarity. For some of you, a blindfold energy here. If somebody here kind of tried to or wanted to see you fail, this person actually made you a favor somehow. They could feel like you are never getting away from that energy, but you are. There's something here energetic wise. Somebody here kind of try to interfere energetically in your own energy. This is the energy of your finance. Could be about happiness as well, or the things you do. And seems here that they now are banished. The universe banished them. It's kind of, it's going to them. Whatever and whoever here tried something, whatever here they tried for you, it's going to them. So what's opening up for you, darlings, is truth. Finding information, finding truth about whatever here you could not for quite a long time. Okay? Yeah. There is certain people here in your life, or a specific person didn't want to see you succeed in life, or were envy of your success or your happiness, things like that. Yeah. 5 of Swords, 7 of Swords. Wow. But it seems here you overcome it. Look at here. They are gonna move away from you, whoever they are. 3 of Pentacles. Who are these people? Look at this. This person is still keeping an eye on you. Ace of Pentacles. And 6 of Pentacles. Look at here. For some of you, this is a family individual or a family energy here. Wow. Whoever they are could be a friend of yours or someone in a friendship zone. Okay. Let's see here. Or someone who wanted you. If you left behind someone and move away towards someone new, does the person want you to fail? It's more likely you step back them when they least expected. Okay, let me see here. What's the 6 of Pentacles here? Knight of Wands. Yeah, you put them in a friendship zone, or you end up to go towards someone new. But you went, or you gone towards someone who is a past life energy for you. Let's say, for example, you left a soulmate for karmic, or left a karmic for soulmate, or you left a soulmate for your divine partner. There's something here happen energetically, and this person couldn't understand. Yeah. Whoever they are, justice. They wanted justice. They wanted for you to feel the things they felt, or whatever is here, the Tower and 4 of Swords. They couldn't find their own peace. Very revengeful energy here. Sorry for saying, darlings, but I feel here someone here very upset energy. You could upset someone, or you promised something to someone, didn't happen, or they didn't see this coming from you, or someone trusting you. There's something here like that, but now they're moving on. Either they found new love, either they find a new person, or they have other things to do. Oh wow. Okay. Page of Swords here. Yeah, you end a relationship here. This person could be at the distance. You could offer them something, but then the offer gone away. Yeah, look at here. This person really been waiting for you, darlings. Even though they could lost a few potentials just waiting for you. Yes. So whoever is this person, they were very upset. And I feel here, for some of you, you could ask yourself what's going on, why the things are not really going the way you're supposed to, you know. I feel here, I don't want to say, and probably I don't say quite often this kind of things, but somebody here had a very evil eye towards you or towards your decision. They couldn't accept. However, it seems here they now are moving away. But I feel here there is some damage done here. You are gonna find out about it, because the universe with this portal opens up for you new possibilities. You are gonna have some sort of conversation with this person. Okay? Yes. I feel here there is definitely here a conversation here about, I'm sorry, I didn't know I hurt you so much, or I didn't know you are taking that so close to your heart, things like that. Could be you, could be them, but I definitely see here it's not like saying goodbyes, but it's more likely wishing the best. There's some kind of conversation coming in, and I feel here you will be happy mending things and understand why certain things happen this way, okay, or why things didn't happen, you know, the way this other person wanted or looked for or understood. I feel here there's certain answers that you are gonna get, or they are gonna get, and overcome at the same time. It's a definitely here energy to move away from it. And definitely the Lion's Gate, it's helping you to get forward on the move. On the move. It's, for some of you, you could have up and downs here, but now things are gonna go in a smooth way. Smooth way. What Spirit wants you to know forward? Temperance. Make peace with your past. And also temperance speaks about the temper. And the temper, sometimes we could say certain things when we are sad or upset, and you might not really pay attention what you say or what you tell someone. But Spirit is telling you, mind what you say always. Because for you might not mean much when you say them, but for others could. King of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles, and the Hangman. Certain things here definitely are gonna change, not just swiftly but dramatically. Whatever here felt heavy or hard are not gonna be hard any longer, and there is a sense of newness, new beginning, creating a new vibration, a new path for you, a much different path. So there is a big change here given to you by the universe, and this change is opening now, and this is a very beautiful, abundant energy. For those of you who have been single for a while, you might not gonna be single for too long. For those of you who financially struggle, Spirit says by your birthday, you're gonna see tremendous changes. Because something here that was blocked, it's unblocking. Something here that we're feeling like lost is not gonna be lost any longer. And yes, welcome changes. Healing. Whoever is this person, they needed healing big time. For some of you, if you didn't talk with this person for a while, you definitely are gonna have a conversation here. Whoever they are. I don't feel here this will be a conversation face to face. It's more likely over the media or email. But definitely there is movement. Whoever is this person here. I have very strong air energy. But sometimes air energy is what we said to each other, or what you told me, or I told you, things like that. So Scorpios, that's what I have for you. That's coming up in this portal. That's opening up for you. I hope this resonates. I hope this speaks to you. And if it does, let us know. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.